Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear wheel bearing on Volkswagen Golf 4. When the wheel bearing is faulty, it usually has play or it's very noisy when it rotates. On this car it's very noisy when it rotates. First we start by removing the Next we have to remove the brake caliper and brake caliper support. Next we remove the brake disc. Next we remove the cap that's covering the nut for the wheel bearing. Now we remove the nut for the wheel bearing and we can take out the wheel. Sometimes it's very easy to take out the wheel bearing, but sometimes it's stuck, so you might need to pry it out a little bit. Maybe hit it with a hammer a little bit and it will come out eventually. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now we need to remove the rest of the wheel bearing. We'll pry it out a little bit. And that's the whole wheel bearing out. Next we put on the new wheel bearing. Most of the time the wheel bearing goes in very easy, but sometimes it won't go in that easy, so we might need to hit the wheel bearing on the inside so that we can take it in or push. We'll get a socket that's about as big as the inner side of the wheel bearing and just hammer the wheel bearing in. Once we've hammered the wheel bearing all the way to the end, we can put on the nut and then assemble everything back in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.